invade my privacy today.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Aladi Akoh. I make educational videos, and if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, it doesn't cost anything to do so, and you are welcome to the family. In one of my previous videos, I did an apartment tour, and that was my old apartment anyway, so I asked you guys if you wanted to see the new one that I moved in, and
You were like, yes, yes, yes.
here you have it. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, okay? Engage with this video. I know you're like, why are you talking so much? We clicked on this video for an apartment or get into it, right? Okay, I'm getting into it. Yes. So I'll be starting with this area of the living room. This is my mini dining room. Dining table, dining, everything, study decks, study table, whatever you want to call it. This table here, or this space right here, is multi-purpose. This is my microwave, so I microwave and take to the table and eat. Under this microwave, I have some shoes that couldn't fit into my rack, so they are stored here. This is also my filming area as well. I have my ring light there, and I have my tripod. A little space here where I have my camera bag. I have, that is wrapping shit, and the back scratcher, the famous back scratcher over there, and to make the room smell good. I have my board here. Over here I have my little bookshelf, decoration shelf, whatever you want to call it. I like to use this background for my YouTube videos. So what's over there? I have my blender here, my blender, and I have my school bag with a laptop that I don't usually use, so I just keep it there. And in this basket I have miscellaneous. I have all my glasses, tape, calculator, stuff like that. There I have some Christian books, Bible, and here I have stationery and some books again, and I have my motivational board over there. That little picture there is a picture of my sister, mom, and I. This used to be my study chair, but these days I don't really use it. But if this thing is hurting, you know what I'm saying, I switch between these two. So yeah, this is my living space. So if I turn now, let's go to the kitchen space. Breakfast. Alleged breakfast. And this is my freezer. This is my fridge. It's so empty. And over here I have where I keep my plates to dry, and actually leave some of them there. And here I have my pots and pans. You know, these things, I don't have any space to store them, so this is the only place I can store them. And you don't want to see the trash can over there. That's the trash. The dishwasher, which I'm never going to use. And this is the stove, kitchen space, rice, spoons, big spoons, and you know, cooking spoons, pepper, salt, Maggi, seasoning cube. Maggi, it's not Maggi, but that product is Maggi, so I'm correct. It's Maggi, so I'm correct. Cooking stuff, noodles, whatever have you. And yeah, the sink is quite a tiny space, but it's enough for one person. This is my bedroom. My bedroom. That's the lamp. And my shoe rack. They are just jam-packed. Not enough breathing space over there. Sorry guys. I'm sorry. Sorry guys. Sorry to you. I know you guys are probably suffocating over there. This is my bed. My favorite place to be. No, Aladi, this shouldn't be your favorite place. It's for lazy people, okay? Don't be lazy, but I like sleeping anyway. So I have this thing on the wall over there, which I got from my roommate. She made it from scratch. And this is also from her. She made this beautiful tree. She drew it from scratch, so I took it. Actually, when she was leaving, these were like trash. And I was like, don't throw it away, give it to me. And I have my, you know, if you know these things, if you've seen them before, let me know in the comment section. I don't want to say anything. Closet, and this is another one. So this space, I like to keep my tops. On that, there, on these gloves, stockings, and all that stuff. And on top of it, shampoo, miscellaneous is inside. Let this thing not fall. Okay, stop. And that's my sister's picture. I don't want to show it. And this place, if I'm dressing up, body cream, comb, perfume, whatever, gel, and all that stuff inside. And here is my trash for the bedroom. And that stuff here has miscellaneous inside. Do you want to see what's inside? A lot of things. Well, clipper, bulbs, and miscellaneous. So I'm gonna cover that back. Let's go and check out the other closet. All right, let's invade this closet. Trousers, gowns, in fact it's mixed native African wear and stuff like that, you know, handbags, some bags, again, my helmet, some cartons, bed spray or bed sheet, whatever, my winter jackets, they are behind there, and you know, some skirts. This particular hangers are for skirts only. This type, all these things are skirts. And then followed by my African wears and some gowns that I wear to church, and you know, those African stuff. And all these are trousers. So that is, and some jackets that, because their hangers are black, I don't want to put them with the tops. I don't, because I am kind of creating a collection of white here and a little bit of blue, just 3 I think, so I don't want to bring black here. This trash bag contains clothes that I want to give away to charity, so I'll be doing that soon. I've been procrastinating, but I need to get that out of this place. And then I have my detergents for washing, all that stuff there. And then I have my big box that I came with from Nigeria over there, my ring light box and some miscellaneous. So yeah, that's this part of the room. And here I have my fan because it's really essential, and I just drag this around. Sorry, this chair, is this what you came to this life to do now? That's the bed, nothing else. And yes, yarns, and your host Aladi, Akoh. That's my mirror on the wall, and that's the back of the door. I have my towel, nightie, cups, measuring tape, and belts. Nothing else. And that's the floor. This is my school bag, and that's my Bible, devotional book, my wristwatch. This is like a mini table, but I have stuff inside, like I don't want to open that, please. And then I have this guy here, which is supposed to be a laundry basket. Oh, my wristwatch fell off. Yeah, that's it. Let's move to the restaurant now. That's my flower. I know you guys, if you know me, you probably remember this. And peace on it. Invade my restroom. Invade it. There's a toilet. disclaimer, censor this part if you cannot take it. And I like to use this to clean my hands after doing stuff here. And this is me again, your host, darling, your host. And there's a mirror that I don't really like, but it is here for me. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Did you guys enjoy watching the video? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you're wondering how much I'm paying for this apartment, it is it is $425 per month, $425 per month. And I have to pay the electricity myself. Electricity doesn't come with that $425, so I haven't seen my first electricity bill yet, so I don't know what to expect. Hopefully it is reasonable. And the water, I don't pay for water. The $425 includes the water and sewage and garbage and all that. So let me know what you think. Do you think it's expensive? Do you think it's reasonable? And I feel like it is not expensive. It's not, compared to other houses I've seen, is still affordable. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Can you live in this kind of place as a student? Yeah. Do you like the place? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, see you later. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the post notification. Enjoy more content coming your way soon.